Hello, fellow music lovers. Welcome to Guitar Mastery, your ultimate destination for guitar excellence. Whether you're a beginner, an intermediate player, or a pro looking to hone your skills, we've got the perfect resources and guidance for you. Our platform is designed to cater to every level and every style of playing. From the basics of chords and strumming patterns to advanced techniques like arpeggios, hammer-ons, and pull-offs, we've got it all covered. Our team of experienced guitarists and instructors are here to guide you through each step, giving you tips, tricks, and insights that will help you improve your playing in no time. So pick up that guitar and join us on this musical journey. Remember, practice makes perfect, so keep strumming, keep learning, and keep growing as a musician. And if you haven't yet, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more guitar goodness. Thanks for tuning in, and see you in our next video.